Hi, I'm Sean Ibe, an investigator with social media intelligence company Graphica, and I'm here to show you how to tag images in Vortimo. There are two different ways you can do it. Once you have navigated to a web page that has an image on it, you can right-click on that image, scroll down to the Vortimo image tag option, and there you can add a note to it. You can tag it with different categories of tags. If you click here on the gear, it'll show you any of the tags that you have set up in the main application. I'm going to leave it as favorite for now. And so we've now tagged that image. Change is saved. The other way we can do it is by going here and going to screen grab. So if we do the screen grab, we're given a selector, and we can select. Here we're going to do the header image of Vortimo Twitter account. And once we're done, we're using the star button. We're able to do the same thing, add a note, and apply a tag to it. And we hit save, and now changes have been saved. And that is pretty much all there is to it.